When submitting a new sample, locate the corresponding sample ID from your collection device to the sample IDs listed on the left-hand side. Once you have found the corresponding sample ID, select Add Patient Details. Here, you'll be able to put in the information regarding the patient, such as their name, animal species, age, guardian's first and last name, the sample type collected, the veterinarian submitting the test, as well as any additional comments regarding the patient's history. Next, you can select the MiDOG test that you would like to receive on the right-hand side. The essential test will include MiDOG's bacterial, fungal, and AMR testing. Then you have the option to select add-on modules or get the premium report. The premium report would be the bundled version here that has all add-ons included. Or if you are only interested in receiving one or the other module, you can go ahead and select those down here. For this sample, we're going to get the premium version, and as you can see, both add-ons have been selected. When you're done, you can select Confirm Order, and the charge will be placed on your monthly invoice. And select a Submit Order from there.